Welcome to the second module of Day 6. This time, I will guide you through solving trigonometric equations. Feel free to pause this presentation when you need more time to think. In Day 3, you learn how to use double angle formulas and also how to write the sums of sine and cosine function as a single sine or cosine function. We can extend this knowledge to help solve trigonometric equations. For example, let's try to solve cos 2 theta minus 2 sine square theta equals to minus 2 for theta between 0 and 2 pi. Using the double angle formula for cosine, we know that cos 2 theta can be rewritten as 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Substituting this into the equation simplifies the equation to 1 minus 4 sine square theta equals to minus 2. Simplifying further, this is the same as sine square theta equals to 3/4. You can take the square root of both sides to get the positive square root of 3 over 2, and don't forget the negative square root of 3 over 2. For sine theta equals to square root of 3 over 2, theta should be in the first two quadrant as sine theta is positive. So solving for theta, we get pi over 3 for the first quadrant and 2 pi over 3 for the second quadrant. For sine theta equals to minus square root of 3 over 2, theta should be in the third and fourth quadrant, that is 4 pi on 3 and 5 pi on 3. Let's have a look at another example. Here we solve for square root of 3 times cos theta minus sine theta equals to 1 for theta that is between minus pi and pi. First, we rewrite the left-hand side into a single sine function as we learned in Day 3. So here we need to find r and alpha such that it equates to the left-hand side of the equation. If you don't quite remember how to do this, have a revision of Day 3. Expanding the right-hand expression and equating the coefficients of cos theta and sine theta from both sides, we get that r cos alpha equals to minus 1 and r sine alpha equals to square root of 3. Squaring and adding these equations, then taking the positive square root, gives us r as 2. Dividing these equations gives us tan alpha equal to minus square root of 3. Here, sine alpha is positive, but cos alpha and tan alpha is negative, so alpha is in the second quadrant. Hence, the solution for alpha is 2 pi on 3. So we can substitute the values of r and alpha and rewrite the original equation as 2 times sine theta plus 2 pi on 3 equals to 1, or simply as sine theta plus 2 pi on 3 equals to half. As an exercise, try solving this. The solutions are minus pi over 2 and pi over 6. Did you get these correct? If you did, you can pause this presentation to try some of the practice questions. The answers are on the next slide. I hope you were able to do them. Here are the answers.